There's something unsettling about an abandoned building with the lights still on. Every hallway feels like someone could walk around the corner at any moment. This bowling alley was recently abandoned, the power is still running, and nearly everything inside has been left behind. I am standing behind a bar right now. We got the cash register still here. We have a little draft lineup right here. We even have alcohol still left behind. These are full bottles of beer in here, and even full bottles of beer left in this one as well. Definitely smells like someone has broken a couple of bottles. As you can see, the power is still on too, which is kind of creepy because I don't know if there's any cameras in here or not. What is this? Oh, heck no. Guys, there's a Ring camera battery sitting right here. That means there was a Ring camera in here at some point. Hopefully it's not here anymore, or else we're gonna have to be getting out of here in the next 5 minutes. I don't go to a lot of bowling alleys, but this seems like a pretty small one. It's really old too. There's 2 sides of lanes. This side is the full length of the building, but this side is only half. It's really nice that the fans are on. That one is kind of scaring me though. It's going really fast, like it's gonna fall. Oh. There is a camera. And it is on. That is not news that I want to see. I'm like kind of worried about the cameras, but also not at the same time. I mean, it's a great possibility that the police can show up, but an ambulance. Thank goodness. That would have been crazy if I was just talking about that and the police pulled up. Anyways, like I was saying, as you can see that there's graffiti in here. So, I mean, if we're just doing some exploring and not vandalizing, maybe they won't care. I've always wanted to walk down a bowling lane with my shoes on. I absolutely hate wearing bowling shoes any single time I'm forced to go to a bowling alley. And yes, I say forced because I never want to go bowling. I'm sorry if that's your thing, but it's not for me. Wow, this is crazy back here. You can see all the mechanics, all the mechanical things that pull these pins up. This is an old one. It actually swipes all the pins back and they get pushed back in that like gully thing back there, and then somehow they make it up here and then they get placed down. Look at that! I've never seen that before. That is so cool. I wonder if we could get it to set. I don't even know how to even tell it to do that. I know I'm not setting this up correctly, but I just want to push the bowling ball down the lane and hear them all clink together. Oh wow! Look, this one's broken. Is that wood inside or like some kind of weird rubber? I can't tell if I'm hearing an alarm or not. It kind of sounds like it's coming from back there, but there's just an exit. This seems like a light enough ball for me. Let's go. I know for a fact when I do this, it's gonna scare Lord Explorers. So let's do it. I'm gonna set up another camera to get his reaction.
Here she goes.
I'm probably gonna get a gutter ball, guys. I suck.
We'll see. Just don't hit the camera. That's all that matters. No way. Are you kidding me? One left. One left.
Dude.
Did you see it go?
And it hit it again.
What the hell? How did you do that?
No.
It was going for the gutter.
It was. I don't know how it went back. Maybe it's water.
Literally, what the hell? That's too good.
How was that, guys? I do suck at bowling. I don't know what that was. Lucky chance, I guess. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this table. These are like what I remember like all of the arcades and stuff being like when I was little. That is so freaking cool. It's a bunch of bowling pins and bowling balls. And these chairs are super old. The other bowling alley that we went to, it had like cushioned seating, but these ones are like the hard ones. And the other one we went to, this thingy was also way more like vintage looking, but these still look very vintage as well also. So that right there is the front door, which is on a main road, so I'm not gonna get too close to that, even though I'm sure they can't see in here, but we're not gonna take our chances. This is like the big bowling lane side. The other side was the small one. This is really cool. Oh my god. Kinda got me a little freaked out, guys, ever since I saw that red light on that camera. And there's one over there too. I can see the red light. I don't think my camera's picking it up though. Whoa. So the ball return is spinning. Well, you know what that means. I have to put a ball in it. That means I have to find one now. There's one over here. I wonder if I can get it out. I'm always dirty. That one is spinning as well, but it has like pins stuck in it. So I'm gonna throw this one into this one. I don't think there's any pins stuck in this one. Oh, what? Rip off. I don't want to get chopped up in the abandoned bowling alley, so I'm not gonna go back there. Look how nostalgic the wall carpet looks. It's black with the rainbow speckles on it. Oh, that is so cool. Why did we stop doing this, guys? Can we like please have a petition to bring this funky stuff back to the places that we go? This is where I'm pretty sure you'd pick out a bowling ball. Dude, another ambulance? That's the third one. Coat racks right here. Another little bowling ball holder. Got some fire extinguishers. It definitely looks like the kids had fun with the fire extinguishers because I see it everywhere on these lanes. Kind of childish, but this is the front desk area where you will check in and get your shoes and pay for a lane. That is so cool. These shoes are like all really nice looking. Black and red bowling shoes. God, I really hate wearing these things. Like, why can't I wear my own shoes out there? Like, what's so different about my shoes and this shoe? Mine are rubber on the bottom. Right? How fun is this? My my YouTube video is premiering right now. So I'm gonna be in the premiere while I'm filming this place. I'm about to tell my live chat that I am filming a YouTube video right now. So if they want to be in one of my YouTube videos and have a little shout out, this is your chance right now. But I guess you didn't know if this was your chance or not, because this is just conveniently happening at the same time. I found some more bowling pins, and I wanted to ask you guys, did you ever have your birthday party at a bowling alley when you were little, and for some reason you got to have a bowling pin, like, to take home? Like, that was their gift to you for turning the next age? Because I had like 3 of these. I don't know why. My parents just kept having birthday parties for me at the bowling alley. Maybe it was easier for them to just gather everyone there than having people come to the house, but I had a bunch of these because of that. Also, there is a green version. Mine were all like the basic white boring ones with the red ring around the top. So this is the chat right now. I did upload on a really random time on a really random day. Usually I post at 10 a.m. on Sundays, but today it's 5 p.m. on a Monday. And this person said, hello. The bed is disgusting. Is that blood? Golden hour. It looks huge, but it's smaller than my room. Outfit check. I don't think, I kind of show myself in this video. I was really hot that day, so I didn't. But outfit check today, it's not that great, but I'll show you guys. Outfit check. The new rocks on. We got some socks. We got some thrifted little boy shorts. A shirt that I got from the thrift store. Chainmail. My hair hasn't been washed in like over a week, so I put it in braids. Do you want to be in my outfit check?
Sure. You guys can check it yourself. We got the ACG shorts. We got Obsoletevoids as the boots. If you don't know what those are, do a little research. Empire is a little basic for me, I'll be honest, but
He said.
Oakley's, as usual.
What about the hat?
The hat from Target.
It's from Target. It is from Target.
It is from Target.
But it's a nice hat.
We got the chain, the barbed wire chain, guys. This lady made it. This girl made it.
When we hit 100K,
you're gonna get some.
you're gonna get some.
Don't tell nobody. Shh, keep it on the down low.
Alright, tell us whose outfit's better. It's okay if you pick his, because this is literally all I had in my bag.
I'm watching the comments, okay?
We weren't planning to do this today, so there's no cool outfit today. It won't be long before this building is either stripped, demolished, or reclaimed by nature. That's why I love documenting places like this while they're still frozen in time. If you enjoyed exploring this abandoned bowling alley with me, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next forgotten place. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much for 100K. Alright everyone, with all of that being said, that is all for today's video. If you liked the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.